Everybody, Math Fairy here, ready to do some jumping with you. And where are we gonna do it? Put your arms out, put your arms out. When we have a line whoosh, that we jump on, it's called number line jumping. So today we're gonna play hit the target, okay? And then we're gonna see an actual person jump the world record jump. Okay, it's gonna be awesome. All right, so first let's check out those number lines. So let me go in present mode here. And you've already been used to jumping some on a number line. Look at this first one. They're jumping to the number 15. And you might say, I can do one jump to 15. Yeah, you could. But the thing is, we're putting a restriction on it and saying, oh, but you can only jump by 1s, 5s, or 10s. So how could we get to 15? You could go by 1s, right? 15 times. That's a lot of jumps, but it'd still work. Or you could go 5 and another 5 and another 5, and you're at 15. And that takes 3 jumps. But could you do it in less? Yes. Look at this big jump, a 10, and then 5 more, and you'd be at 15. And that's only 2 jumps. So in math, we call that the smallest, least amount of jumps. All right, so let's try to hit the target in this problemo. Okay. All right, let's move to this one. Okay, our target is 6, and we're trying to hit it in the fewest number of jumps possible. So if you have a piece of paper, get one, or a whiteboard or something, and pause the video and try to make jumps of 10, 5, or 1. That's it. That's all you can use. Making the smallest, least amount of jumps. Okay, because I'm going to try this. All right, here we go. Let's see. I could take a big jump of 10. Uh-oh, it's switched. So I'm going to go back to my other one. Let me escape back out of here. And at 6, let's say I take a jump of 10. You're like, Math Fairy, you've gone too far. Yeah, I know. Whoops. Well, sometimes it's okay to go too far if I can just get back. How many jumps back am I going to have to do? Well, I'd have to do a jump of 1, and then another jump of 1, and then another jump of 1, and another jump of 1, and boom, I hit the target. Yeah, I got there. How many jumps did it take me? Quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is there a smaller amount of jumps? Maybe you found one, yes? So this took quite a few, so I'm going to move those out of there. And say, what if I don't do back jumps? What if I just get there by, oh, wait a second. If I go 5, holy cow, that's close, right? I just need one more jump and I'm there. So I got a total of 2 jumps, people. That is the smallest, least amount of jumps. Way to go. If you hit the target, hit my high five right now. Ready? Sound effect, pocketed. All right, let's try another. How about this one? Erase your board. If you're on paper, draw out a line, start at 0, and try to make it to 12. Smallest, least amount of jumps, okay? All right, I'm going big. Go big or go home, right? All right, I'm trying 10 again. Do I have to jump back now? No, I'm still jumping forward. And wow, this is looking good. I could do a jump of 5, but then I'm going to have to go back how many? I'd have to go back 3. So that's a lot of jumps. So I'm thinking just 2 more, and I have hit the target. How about you guys? Hit it in 3. Booyah. All right, I'm going to go again. All right. Now you have a choice. Like maybe you want to practice starting at 0 like we did. Maybe you're like, no, I can start at a number other than 0. Or let's try a challenge. Okay, we already did some starting at 0, so I'm going to go to 5 or 10. I'm going to go there and try this one. Now I'm trying to hit 23. But look I'm not starting at 0. I'm starting at 10. So go ahead, write that out on your whiteboard or your paper and try it out. Pause the video because I'm going to keep going. All right, I go big, right? I'm going to go big. And I'm like, whoa, I am almost there. I could do jumps of 1, and if I go 10 and I go 10 more, I could actually write in, if I'm being precise here, and say where I land. So I'm going to say I'm landing at, if I was at 10 and I go 10, now I'm at 20. I'm almost there. And 20 plus what is 23? 3! So I would know I need 3 more jumps. Is that going to be the least amount of jumps? Well, what if I did a 5-er? If I go into a 5, I'd be at 20 plus 5 is 25. But then I'd have to go backwards. How many? I'd have to go back 1, 2. So how many total jumps was that? 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. And is that the least, smallest amount of jumps? I don't think so. I think if you actually go, that was 1, 2, 3, 4. If I just do jumps of 1 right here, 1, 2, 3, that would be a tie, because that's 4 jumps. Also, look at that. You can go forwards, or you could do a little backwards action. Either way, you hit the target in the smallest, least amount of jumps. Okay, let's go for a challenge. Let's see what a challenge looks like. So the challenge here, oh gosh, look at it. I'm not starting at 10 or a 10's number. I'm starting at a number like 13. And 13 supposedly is like a really scary number. And I'm trying to make it up to 27. What's really weird is 27 happens to be my favorite number. It's my birthday. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, I'm going big. You go ahead and try this. Pause video. See what you can do. Smallest, least amount of jumps. All right, here I go. I'm going big. 10. If I go 10, where do I land? I'm not at 13 anymore. If I add a 10 to that, it's not 10-3, it's 23. Whoosh. Yeah, we don't say 10-3, it's 13. All right, 23. And then how am I going to get to 27? I could do jumps of 1, but I'm thinking, could I go bigger? Of course, there's a 5. Okay. If I do a jump of 5, I'm going to have to go backwards, because if I go 5 more, I'm not at 27. I am actually at, well, I know 5 and 3 is 8, so I'm at 28. Oh, that's close. Because now all I need to do is jump back 1, and I'm there. Hit the target. 27. Oh, yeah. Favorite. It took me 1, 2, 3 jumps. Did you go smaller than that? Or at least I don't think there's a way. Okay. All right. Smallest, least amount of jumps. Okay, we're going to check out that person that has the world record. Back in 1991, Mike Powell. Okay. Here he goes. He's going to do the long jump. He's jumping. Look at him go. Whoa! Did you see that? That is amazing. Wow! Now that number was not how far he jumped. That was the wind. The wind was actually pushing him, but it was legal. 8. Longest jump in history. 8.91. Whoa! Now look at this though. Now this guy's gonna go. Here he goes. Mike Powell. Look at that! Wow! Now he's like, okay, did I get it? Did he get the world record? He's waiting to see. Oh gosh. The wind was good. Oh man. How, what did he get for his jump? He did it. World record. And what's really cool is that they're going to show it in slow-mo, which is really cool to see. Let's see. Here he goes. You have to run super hard, right, to get to go that far. Up, 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 boom! Amazing, you guys. Set your dreams high and jump far.